It's the inches for me. It's the headbands for me. It's the packaging for me. It's just love me for me. Love me for me, baby. Yes. Okay, I just can't. This wig is so bomb. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one, we're here for it. We're all the way here for it, y'all. This wig that I have on is from Unice. I will link the video right here where I unboxed and reviewed this wig. I love it. The color is different for me. This wig is really, really nice, and of course it came from Amazon. It's Unice, but Unice Amazon, so I'm here for it all the way. This blazer that I have on is just really oversized. I thrifted this a while ago. I did do a video on it. I'll link it up here as well so you can check it out. But now, aside from all of that, let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. So y'all know that the craze has been headband wigs, right? And had it not been for me receiving this beautiful unit, I would be still wearing my Nadula one, which I'll probably get back into here shortly just because it's so easy. It's so convenient. I just love it. But anyway, we know that headband wigs are all the rage, right? So I got a little, y'all, okay, so come here, sis. Y'all know me. Y'all know I have an addictive personality. Y'all know I get a little out of hand sometimes with these things. So be not surprised that your girl went a little overboard with the headband wig situation. Yes, I've been sent a couple, but I've purchased like 3. Okay. So I purchased another Nadula one because I love the first one so much. And then I purchased some, but this one, listen. I couldn't see not another Facebook advertisement and not, okay? Like, check this out. First of all, the packaging. Love me hair. You don't have to do the people like this. You ain't got to show out like this. This is so bomb. This is so bomb. And y'all know purple is my favorite color, so I'm all the way here for it. So the thing about it is, on Facebook, you always see all these advertisements for all these wig companies, and the more you watch them, the more they show you. So there's that. But you can get scammed on Facebook because not all the companies are legitimate companies. So I passed them up quite a few times because I'm just like, I don't know. But my sister loves them, so she's ordered from them. So you know, if I know somebody who has used them, who knows them, I feel more comfortable with the purchase. I'm cool. So they had a sale. Y'all know how I do. Everything's affordable. So honey, she don't pay full price for nothing. They were having a sale, so I went on there and ordered me a unit. Let's go ahead and unbox it because yes, this box, I am so into it. This like fluorescent, like love me hair thing, then the little boat, baby. They're giving you everything with that. I just love this packaging. You just can't beat it. Oh my gosh. And again, the packaging. Look at this presentation. Y'all, I bought this with my own money. Nobody sent me this. So this is what the average customer is getting. I'm here for it. I am here for it. This is gorgeous. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. Y'all, look at this. Look at the... I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. And there's still stuff in here. Like, Helena, you did that, sis. This is a whole bag of headbands. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. I don't have anything like this. So this is a camouflage headband. I actually have this exact scarf, but I can never have too much leopard print because y'all know I'm obsessed. This is pretty. This is neutral. I could wear this with a lot of stuff. This is so pretty. Hold on. So pretty. Look at that. The colors are so complimentary. The orange and blue in there together. And y'all know I love navy blue. So this is a great moment right here with some yellow. And then here's another yellow one. I don't really care for this kind of headband. I like the ones that have like the thicker band on the back. So if you want to pull the hair up, you can do that and it still looks good because you don't see the, you know, thing under there. But y'all, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 5 headbands. That is insane. And there's still more in this box. That's the thing about it. Girl, they are killing the game. Like, killing the game. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you get some elastic if you want to do. I think they probably put this in everybody's thing because you don't really need this for a headband wig, I don't think. The way to my heart is an edge brush, baby. Yes. Some bobby pins. You can never have too many of those, especially with those headband wigs. These will help secure the sides if you don't have like a wig grip or something like that. So that can be very useful. Some tweezers for, I guess, assisting if you're like plucking your hairline. This is a look. They hooked you up, honey. Affordable luxury wig, yes, because I paid under $200. I paid probably like $130 something for my wig. So y'all, every time I see these, I want one. So cute. It says love. Okay, hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Wait, sis. Okay, that's it right there. Love me, period. Love me. And then you also get some wig caps, which again, so bomb. And then you get this return and refund policy. Oh my gosh, if you're not satisfied, you get your money back. That's crazy. After our confirmation and returning is due. After confirmation, blah, 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 blah. $20 for your refund. Okay, so they do charge a restocking fee, basically. So $20, but I can't imagine that I'm going to be unhappy with my unit because everything else is so luxury, so on point. I just can't imagine that they would be lacking in any area. Like, I just can't imagine. Oh, still something else in here. So, I just did a wig unboxing, actually for this unit. And I got one of those edge things. And I was so excited because I don't have one. But now, I have two. And this one is purple. It says, "Love Me Hair." I love it. And again, like the black one that I got from them, from You Nice, I could just like fold that and even wear that as a headband, sis. Yeah. Why are they so bomb? Why are they so bomb? They coming for necks, throats, hair, the edges, everything. They coming for all that, sis. You ain't gonna have nothing left fooling with them. Yeah, they coming for all of that. Love me. I'm here for it. I'm so impressed. So impressed. Okay, let's finally get into this unit because with all of that, I have really high expectations for this unit and I'm praying that it does not let me down. So let's get into it real quick. First of all, this bag, everything. Their packaging is just bomb. I'm so impressed. I know y'all like, girl, if you say that one more time. I am. This is so bomb. Okay, so, oh God. I just feel, okay. Ooh, I just feel, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this, what is this called? Like a kinky, like a blowout texture wig. Because I don't have anything like it. And I like it. I think it's so pretty. And I don't ever put heat on my hair, so I would never get this look with my hair because I don't put heat on my hair. But girl, the Oh God, what is the density on this wig? This feels amazing. It's so full and thick, baby. She is about to show out with it. Why is this so thick? And I think this is like 24 inches. I don't remember exactly how long it is that I ordered. I don't remember exactly how long this was that I ordered, but it was pretty long. I think it was like 24 inches or something. We got to try her on because I done got excited. Okay. Love this. Let me pull this off in a way that don't have me out here looking cray. Oh, come on and rhyme, sis. Come on and rhyme. Golly. Okay. So y'all see my situation. I have a wig grip on because I wear a wig grip under all of my wigs. I do. They're my security blanket. I never go without them. Let's get into the construction of this wig though, because besides the fact that this got to be 180 or 200% density. It has to be. Now I got to look it up because this is bomb and I'm so impressed. So impressed. Hold on. Girl, this is so pretty. Hold on. I'm trying to find it so I can tell y'all exactly what this is. So this was $199.90. I had a discount because this was I had a discount of $53.97. I paid $145.93 for this unit. Oh, she's so pretty. And she's 22 inches. I don't know what the density is, but it has to be 180 or 200. It has to be. So it does have the headband on it. It comes with 4 combs, one at the top, one small one at the top, one on each side, and then one at the bottom. And then you have the actual headband here. Girl, 22 inches of beautiful. 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 Okay, I don't know about the density, but it's gotta be. Got my mirror right here. It's gotta be like 150. I mean, like 180 or 200. It has to be. I know it is because this feels bomb. So I'm actually put this comb behind my wig grip and let my wig grip be. Ooh, I'm about to show out. Ouch. I'm about to show out. Baby, this feels so secure on my head first and foremost. Like, what? Oh my God. Sometimes I really hate that I be saving stuff for y'all because I could have been wearing this whole time. Trying to save stuff for y'all. Trying to save stuff for y'all. Girl, I'm about to be wearing this out. And I'm done. I'm done. This is just life and life more abundantly. Like, what are you saying? I want to take a selfie right now. I want to take a selfie right now. This is bomb. Girl, look at this texture of this hair. Look at this. Just look. I know my edges look a little worn out and crusty, but who cares? Look at this hair. Like, just get into it. I am obsessed. Obsessed. This is everything. Let me make sure that this is 22 inches because I ordered like one size, and then I ended up getting another size. Yeah, it's 22 inches. Okay. Yeah. 22 inches of love. I just love it. I love it. Get into her. Get into it. I don't have anything else to say. It's a yes for me. Luvme has a lifelong customer now. Like, it's the thickness for me. It's the length for me. It's the security on my head for me. It's the packaging for me. It's everything for me. Like, girl, I'm done. And I'm out. I'm done. There's nothing left to say. You see it. You see her. Girl, I'm really feeling I'm wearing this tomorrow. I'm wearing this tomorrow. Period. You could pull this up in a pony. Girl. Ooh, wait. I just would not be able to. You just won't be able to tell me nothing. Period. Period. Girl, I wish my hair would look like this in real life. I would be so... The Lord be knowing what he be doing, because I just would not be able to... You wouldn't be able to take me, because I wouldn't be able to take myself. And that's that. Let me get out of here, because this is so bomb. You don't have to come out here and slap these people in the face like this, Luvme. You don't have to do it. But you did it, and I'm glad that you did, because this is everything and some. And I'm here for it. Anyway, that's it, y'all. I love y'all. Check them. I'm not I bought this with my own money. I'm gonna link it down below in case you want to get one. It's worth it. Like, it's worth it. Even if it wasn't on sale, trust me, I would buy another one. This is bomb. Oh gosh, I'll link it down below. Anyway, I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Please remember to wash your hands, social distance, love on each other, be nice to one another. Things are going to come around. Things are going to change. You just gotta go with the flow right now. But yeah, please keep me and my family in your prayers, and I'll keep you in mine. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.